are solving exercise 5.3. In this video, we solve question number 2, first part. That is, if x plus 2 is a factor of 3x square minus 4kx minus 4k square, then find the value of k. So, before solving question number 2, we discuss what is factor theorem and zero of a polynomial. The definition of zero of a polynomial is if a specific number x is equal to a is substituted for the variable x in a polynomial p of x so that the value of p of a is 0, then x is equal to a is called a zero of the polynomial. To understand this, we take an example. Look at here, p of x is equal to x square plus x minus 6. Here we take divisor x minus 2 to find the value of x. You know that we put x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now from here you can find the value of x, that is equal to 2. Now we put the value of x in this polynomial. Then we get p of 2, that is equal to 2 square plus 2 minus 6. Here we get 2 square, that is equal to 4 plus 2 minus 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 minus 6. Now we get 0. Now p of 2 that is equal to 0. तो वहाँ पर डिफाइन में यही बताया हुआ है कि हम कोई भी नंबर सब्स्टिट्यूट करें. यहाँ पर हमने x इक्वल टू 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया इसमें, तो हमारे पास आखिर में जो रिमाइंडर है वो 0 आ जाए तो हम क्या कहेंगे कि 2 इज़ दी ज़ीरो ऑफ that polynomial. So now we discuss what is factor theorem. Here the factor theorem is the polynomial x minus a is a factor of the polynomial p of x if and only if p of a is equal to 0. Now we understand it. In factor theorem, the define is the polynomial x minus a is a factor of the polynomial p of x if and only if p of a is equal to 0. क्या कहता है, अगर हमारे पास p of x कोई सा भी पोलिनोमियल हो जैसा कि हमने यहाँ पर लिया है, तो जो x माइनस a है वो इस p of x का फैक्टर होगा if and only if p of a is equal to 0. अगर p of a का जवाब 0 आ जाए. यहाँ पर हमने एक एग्जांपल ली हुई है. हमारे पास पॉलिनोमियल है x स्क्वायर प्लस x माइनस 6. इसका x माइनस 2 फैक्टर होगा, तभी फैक्टर होगा अगर हम इसमें से x की वैल्यू निकाल कर अगर इस पॉलिनोमियल में पुट करें, हमारे पास जवाब 0 आ जाए तो हम कहेंगे कि x माइनस 2 इसका क्या है, फैक्टर है. Now we solve question number 2. In question number 2, the polynomial given is 3x square minus 4kx minus 4k square. And इसमें पहले से ही given है कि आपके पास x plus 2 is a factor. इस पोलिनोमियल का x plus 2 क्या है, फैक्टर है. अगर फैक्टर है तो रिमाइंडर जो है इसका लाजमी तौर पर 0 के इक्वल आएगा. Then we have to find the value of k. So now we solve it. First of all, we put x plus 2 that is equal to 0 to find the value of x. X that is equal to minus 2. Now we put the value of x in this polynomial. P of minus 2 is equal to 3 into minus 2 square minus 4k into minus 2 and minus 4k square. Now 3 into minus 2 square that is equal to 4. Here minus minus plus we get 4 to the 8k and here we get minus 4k square. 4 3 the and by remainder theorem we write here r, also we write here r that is equal to p into minus 2 and here we also write r that is equal to p into minus 2. Here 4 3 the 12 plus 8k minus 4k square. Here in the equation given that x plus 2 is a factor. If x plus 2 is a factor, the remainder will भी 0. अगर x plus 2 इस पोलिनोमियल का फैक्टर है तो ये लाजमी तौर पर इसका जवाब क्या आएगा, रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा, 0 आएगा. इसलिए here I write 0. now I write k square first, for k square, as the term whose power is greater we write first. Then here we write plus 8k, and here we write plus 12. From here you can take common minus 4, so I take minus 4 common. Here I get plus k square minus plus minus 2k minus plus minus, I get here 3, and here is 0. And as minus 4 is multiplying by this expression, so here I write 0 over minus 4. Here it will be divided. Here we get k square minus 2k minus 3. So when we divide we get 0. I can write this like minus 2k minus 3, that is equal to 0. Now we factorize this. We get k square minus 3k plus k minus 3, that is equal to 0. Here we can take k common in first two terms, and we get k minus 3 plus 1 common, and we get k minus 3 in second two terms, and here that is equal to 0. Now as a whole you can take common k minus 3, so k minus 3 into here k plus 1, that is equal to 0. As both terms are multiplying, so it means k minus 3 is equal to 0, k plus 1 is equal to 0. So we put here k minus 3 is equal to 0 and k plus 1, that is equal to 0. दो नंबर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं तो लाजिमी सी बात है या तो ये 0 होगा या तो ये 0 होगा, इसलिए हमने दोनों को 0 पुट कर दिया. k minus 3 is equal to k minus 3 will become plus 3 on the other side of equal, so here we write plus 3 and here we write k is equal to minus 1. So we find the two values of k. Now from if you understand part number 1, then you can solve part number 2. The question number 3 is also same. In question number 3, which is without actual long division, determine whether x minus 2 and x minus 3 are the factors of polynomial p of x, that is equal to x cube minus 12x square plus 44x minus 48. कि हमने ये बताना है कि वो उस पोलिनोमियल के फैक्टर्स हैं या नहीं हैं. हम बारी बारी पहले x माइनस 2 को और उसके बाद x माइनस 3 को उस पोलिनोमियल में पुट करेंगे. अगर जवाब 0 आ जाए तो वो उसका फैक्टर होगा, अदरवाइज वो उसका फैक्टर नहीं होगा. सो now we cover, by this part we cover second part of question number 2 and two parts of question number 3. In next video we solve question number 4. If you have any confusion or any problem in question number 3 and second part of question number 2, you can ask me. Thank you.